Hey there, awesome people. Ready for a delicious adventure? Let's make some mouth-watering lasagna. Alright, here we go. First, we start with a rich and savory meat sauce simmered to perfection using ground beef, onions, garlic, and tomato sauce. Add some dried oregano, basil, salt, and pepper to taste for an extra burst of flavor. While the sauce simmers, cook your lasagna noodles until they're al dente. Need a cheesy twist? Spread a generous amount of creamy ricotta mixed with an egg, a pinch of salt, chopped parsley, and a bit of grated parmesan. Add a layer of gooey mozzarella and a sprinkle of parmesan between the layers. Still with me? Now in a baking dish, layer the meat sauce, noodles, and cheese mixture. Repeat until the dish is full, finishing with a final layer of meat sauce and a generous topping of mozzarella and parmesan. Finally, cover with foil and pop it in the oven at 375 degrees, 190 degrees C, and let it bake for about 45 minutes, removing the foil for the last 10 minutes to let the top get bubbly and golden brown. Can you smell that? Your lasagna masterpiece is ready. Let it cool for a few minutes before slicing. Serve it up hot and enjoy every delicious bite. Thanks for cooking along, friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tasty recipes and cooking fun. See you next time.